everybody, and welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to share with you guys the Walgreens ad preview for Sunday, April 12th through April 18th. Now, Sunday is Easter Sunday. Walgreens is already starting to clearance out some of their Easter stuff. So right now, I think it was like buy 4, you get the 5th one free. So just giving you guys a heads up, there might be even a better deal if you guys need to go to the store for that. But right here, there's a sign that says we're here for you. Now they have drive-through shopping. Basically, if you guys don't want to go in the store, you can ask them to grab some stuff off the shelf. But it's stuff that you guys need, like essential stuff. So if you don't want to go into the store and you want them to grab you, a toothpaste, because you need toothpaste, that's fine. But don't sit there and have them, like, get shampoo and all the items for you guys. But they will get you some of the items that you guys need if you do not want to go in the store. Plus, Walgreens also offers free delivery. They are extremely behind, just to give you guys a heads up if you do order anything online. So it could take a couple weeks, but they are working on it as fast as they can. So I just wanted to give you guys a heads up with that. But here is the ad. They got deals of the week. There's actually some decent stuff. The Ajax, it's not a good deal. If you guys go to that store, if you go to the store today and it's not on sale, it's actually $1. You are saving 1 penny to get the Ajax soap. So I would not do that deal. You're not really saving much. But the Palmolive is 99 cents. Usually I think those are like $1.49 or something like that. They got cereal for $1.88. Now if you guys really need cereal, I still have a ton of cereal left, for me getting stuff over the last several months. But there is a $1 off a 2 coupon in the $3.29 Smart Source, or there is a $2 off a 4 coupon in the $3.15 Smart Source. So if you guys use the $1 off a 2, buy 2 boxes of cereal, you would pay $2.76 or get each one for $1.38. For the 2 off of 4, you guys would pay $5.52, but again, get each one for $1.38. So it's up to you guys what you want. Now the soda here is buy 2, you get 1 free. I wouldn't do it. If you guys are watching this right now and you need soda, go to Walgreens right now or this week, because they are 3 for $8.99. Right there, you're paying $12.40 for 3 packs when you can save so much more money if you go this week. Miss Charlotte's in the background if you guys hear baby noise. So I'm gonna keep going. Here they got some other deals of the week. They do have some always in Tampax. Now I rarely ever get personal care products at Walgreens. This is an okay deal, but they are 2 for $8, and then there's gonna be a 3 off a 2 digital coupon, making them $2.50. Not the greatest deal, but it's for Walgreens. That's a pretty okay deal. Then they have it where if you spend $20 or more, you get 5,000 points. So depending on if you guys need to add the crest or all that stuff, you guys can do that. Here they got Persil for $5.99. We do have a $2 off coupon in the 4-5 Retail Me Not. Just give you guys a heads up, there are no inserts this Sunday. I forgot to mention that. No inserts this Sunday. I never get the Persil coupons, but there might be some digitals on the site. But after that coupon, you'd pay $3.99. You get 2,000 points for every one that you buy. Comes up to be just $1.99. So usually that's the cheapest you can usually find Persil at Walgreens. They got L'Oreal products where if you get a $5 register reward when you buy 2, plus there's some $2 off digital coupons if you guys need to do that. Get into some food deals. The food deals are not as big as what they were this past week, but they do have some stuff for like $2.99, buy one, get one free. There's other things here and there, but not as much food on sale like there usually is. They do have other soda, 3 for $3 if you guys need to go do that. More candy deals, but I wouldn't buy this candy. I'd buy the Easter candy because it's probably going to be cheaper. Next, they got some just little toys here and there, batteries. If you guys need to order pictures, go for it. Here's just some makeup deals. Nothing really popping out at me for that. All the shampoo conditioners, buy 2 get the 3rd one free. But right here they have the Olay body wash and the Old Spice body wash. Now this is a deal you guys cannot do online because it involves a register reward. Plus there might be an Ibotta deal, so they're going to be 2 for $12. But if you guys buy 4 of them, you get a $5 register reward. Well, we currently have a 4 off a 2 digital coupon for Old Spice, and we have a $4 off a 2 coupon for Olay. There's also a 5 off a 2 digital coupon, depending on what body wash you guys get. But after that, you guys would end up paying, after the digital coupons, you guys would end up paying $4 for the 4 items. Then you guys, no, I did my math wrong. Sorry, you guys, I messed up the math on that, but you would pay $16. You get that $5 register reward. It comes out to be $11 or just $2.75 a piece. If you guys want to go ahead, do that. Now here they got Secret deodorant and Secret or Old Spice deodorant. Those are 2 for $10. You get 4,000 points when you buy 2. So you want to buy 4 of them. Comes out to be just $20. You use a 4 off of 2 digital coupon for the Old Spice and a 4 off of 2 coupon for the Secret. Then you guys would end up paying $8. No, I never did my math. Sorry, you guys. Sorry, you guys, I didn't just do the total. So it's 2 for $10. You want to buy 4 of them, 2 for $20. You guys use 2 different 4 off of 2 digital coupons. This is a deal where you guys can do it online if you need to. You would pay $12, but you get 4,000 points. Comes out to be just $8 or just $2 a piece. I'm going to say that's a good deal. Very rare we can get Secret and Old Spice any cheaper than that. There's also an Ibotta deal for Old Spice, but you have to get the smooth kind. Same thing with the body wash. There's an Ibotta deal, but again, you have to get the smooth kind if you want to do that. Just little things here and there. Nothing's really popping out at me. If you guys like the Arm & Hammer deodorant, it's 99 cents. Now here is some toothpaste for $3.99. We are getting a 5 off of 3 digital coupon. Then you guys will get $3 register reward when you buy 3. So buy 3 of them. Use that 5 off of 3. It comes out to be $6.97. Would not do this deal. Then you get the $3 register reward, making it $3.97 or $1.32. Would not do this deal. Nope, not unless you guys absolutely need it. But wanted to share with you guys with that. Not after that, nothing really pops out at me. I mean, they do have some other deals here and there, but it's okay. It's okay to have a slow week. It's Easter Sunday, plus, you know, the whole week is just kind of slow, and that's pretty much the ad. So not a lot of deals, which is kind of a good thing because maybe they can get caught up on online deals and send us the stuff from the previous week. But I just wanted to share with you guys on that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys all later. Bye-bye.